Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the gear. Charge both transmitter and receiver fully and attach the lav clip plus foam windscreen to reduce plosives. Next, clip the mic about 6 to 8 inches from your mouth so levels are consistent. Once done, power on the receiver and the transmitter. They should auto-pair, but make sure the channel matches on both units. Finally, set the camera or recorder input to external mic and confirm you see audio meters moving while you speak. Now you focus on accurate levels and monitoring. Plug headphones into the receiver or camera and speak at your performance volume. Listen for clarity and background noise. Make gain adjustments on the receiver so peaks sit between -12 and -6 decibels to preserve headroom. Also enable any safety or backup track on the DJI system or record dual mono if your recorder supports it, because that gives you redundancy. Finally, walk around a bit to check for interference or dropouts before you start the take. Begin by recording a short 10 to 15 second test clip and play it back in your headphones to verify tone and clarity. Once satisfied, record your voiceover takes, then transfer files via USB or by removing the receiver SD card. Name files with date and take number for easy organization. If you encounter dropouts or static, swap to a different channel, increase separation from Wi-Fi sources, or replace batteries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.